Well, hello, YouTube friends and family. I want to say thank you to all my subscribers. Without you, this wouldn't be possible. I'm just going to do a quick ride through of the Camdyn Villas that's within the village of Hawkins. For all those people who haven't seen what that looks like, that's what this video is all about. I hope you'll stay tuned, watch it all the way through. If you haven't already, please subscribe, smash that like button, and click that notification bell so you will be notified as to when the Villages Florida part-timers upload another video. And have a great day. Thank you for watching. Well, hello YouTube friends and family. This is going to be just a short little video, golf cart ride, riding through the Camdyn Villas within the village of Hawkins. Now this villa neighborhood, it's been out for a little while now, probably about a year or two, I'm not sure. It's at least a year that I know of. I'm not sure of the date, so don't quote me on that. But as you can see, all the homes have been bought. Everybody's pretty much moved in. You can see where everybody has, improved on their landscaping, or most everybody has done some adjustments to their tastes. I don't think there's anything available in this neighborhood. As I've said, it's been around for a few minutes now. But what I wanted to show everybody just how pretty these villas are, and these are going to be more of your your courtyard villas rather than your typical patio villa. This was just designed to take a look around and kind of seeing what people are doing in their villas and how things have progressed and how things are looking. People like to stick the flags in their yards. Like you just saw that flagpole. These villas are really nice. People have done some things to them. Some haven't done a whole lot. Still a nice little neighborhood. I've noticed though in this particular villa neighborhood, the colors don't seem to be, really bright and vibrant in a sense. Very Caribbean pop, if you will, to just having softer color tones. Most of these are going to be vinyl homes, but they're still nice just the same. 2-car garage, maybe a 2 single-car garage like there. Some will have a golf cart garage, some may not. I think I did this during Christmas time. I still see some Christmas wreaths hanging on a few doors. But it was just really pretty out that night, or that late afternoon rather. And I decided, you know what? It's been a while since I've rode through this neighborhood. Let's take a look and see how it's progressing. I like those plants. A lot of people seem to have a really good taste in decor, a lot of pretty landscape design. Some people just don't do much. And that could be just because people don't want to spend the money on it, or they hadn't been there for very long. I'm not sure. Some of them have rocked it in, as you can see. Me personally, you know, not that my opinion matters, but I just, if you ride in through a patio villa neighborhood and you see where the whole neighborhood has tore out all the grass and put nothing but rocks, that may be okay for some, but for me, it looks too Arizona looking, you know, like you're out there in New Mexico or someplace. But these villas are very nice. So as we can see, people still left some of their Christmas decor out. Coming up to this retention pond where this house, where that got a nice little landscape design, really a nice view of that retention pond. I like how the villagers plants those wispy bushes like that. Those are really neat. And they do bloom a kind of a purple tip or something like that. But I just ride up and down some of these streets just to take a look around. And one of the reasons why I chose the Camdyn Villas was just to kind of get a visual comparison between the vinyl homes, you know, courtyard villas, and the stucco-built courtyard villas, which to me replicate a little bit more of the bungalow style, but they're still considered to be courtyard villas. Even though these aren't stucco, but these vinyl ones still look really nice. They're pretty and well constructed. Nothing wrong with these homes at all. So for those of you who have never rode through the Camdyn Villas within the village of Hawkins, this is what it looks like. It's quite nice, actually. I do like this neighborhood. And me personally, I have nothing against moving into it. So if you haven't already, please subscribe to the channel, click that like button, smash the notification bell so you'll be notified as to when we upload a video. If you will, please feel free to leave a comment below and let me know your thoughts on the Camdyn Villas. Have a great day, everybody. Thanks again for watching. I hope you enjoyed this little short ride through the Camdyn Villas.